Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the Fameex withdrawal and how do you place your withdrawal from this platform. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys, I'll walk you through step by step on how to withdraw your token or how to withdraw USDT successfully from Fameex exchange. Okay, for those of you who are coming across my channel for the first time, you're hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Sparky, and what I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making idea on this my channel on daily basis. So if you're an online hustler, you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on the screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release videos like this. Okay, now before I proceed to show you guys how to withdraw from this platform, I will briefly explain or briefly talk about this platform for the purpose of those who are hearing about this platform for the first time, for the purpose of those who are watching or those who are watching my video for the first time. Okay, this Fameex is a crypto exchange that is newly launched not quite long ago, and they are currently running promotion and they are rewarding those who invite friends and family. Okay, when you hear crypto exchange, what comes to your mind? These are Bitcoin exchanges where you can trade Bitcoin and other crypto assets. Okay, so this Fameex is quite similar to the one that is very popular now, known as FMC Pay. Okay, now when FMC Pay came about, they did the same thing. They offered promotion, they rewarded user who participated in the promotion aspect. Okay, and this Fameex is currently doing the same. Okay, what we mean by this promotion aspect is that this platform, they are looking for recognition, they don't have much users, and then they're advertising it. Then for those of you who have been participating on the promotion, maybe you are advertising, you are promoting, inviting friends and family. Okay, anybody invite on the platform, they may give you 0.50 cents and two people gives you $1. So that is how they are doing it. And then when you have invited friends and family to join the platform and they complete their KYC, their primary KYC, then you will receive your reward. So that's what this platform is doing. However, if you are not interested in that, you may use it as your exchange to buy, sell crypto, store crypto assets, and then the rest of them. Okay, now after you have accumulated this token from people you have invited on the platform, after they are done with their KYC, how do you place your withdrawal? The thing is very simple. So you can see this option here, wallet. Click on wallet. So when you click on wallet, you can see my balance. So what you are withdrawing with is Pepe, all right? Pepe coin. So but when you are using Binance to place your withdrawal, so you need a Binance so that you can copy your Pepe address from there. Then you see the option of withdraw. Now please take note that before you be able to place withdrawal, then when you click on it, to bring you to Pepe. Before you'll be able to place your withdrawal, you need to make sure that your email address is verified, and you need to make sure that your phone number is also verified, or your authenticator. You connect Google Authenticator so that your account to be secured. So that's how every exchange does. Every exchange prioritizes security. Okay, so when you click on the Pepe coin, as you can see here, I have clicked on it, then it will bring you to the withdrawal page. Then you paste the withdrawal address here, which is the Pepe coin. Click here to paste the Pepe coin address you have copied from Binance. Then enter the minimum you want to withdraw from here. Let's say I want to withdraw all, and then withdraw all. And then so once I place the withdrawal here, and then I will now click on withdraw. So that's all. So once you click on withdraw, after the blockchain confirmation, the token or the coin will be credited to you in your Binance account. So once it's credited to you in your Binance account, what do you do next? The next thing you do is to to convert it to USDT. That's all. Okay, so that is what this Fameex is all about. Me, and I don't want to withdraw now, so I am keeping my own. I'm saving this for here. So that's the reason why I don't want to withdraw. Like I said, this is a crypto exchange. Please do take note of that. I am making this video based on the question I received: how do we place withdrawal? On the review video I released yesterday, someone commented that I should make a video on how to place withdrawal, and this video is how to withdraw. Okay, and then you can copy your link, invite your friends and family if you were joining the promotional aspect. That's if you want to earn the promotion reward they are giving. So that's it. So this one is not something you come and start earning without referring. So that is just the truth, guys. Okay, anybody invite on the platform, they complete their KYC, they reward you for that. Now, we don't know how long this promotion is going to last. I am not a financial advisor, and it is not guaranteed that you will get this reward. Please take note. Remember, Sparky is not in any way affiliated with this platform. This is me making video based on question viewers are asking me to do. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And then if you want to try this platform, I will be leaving my referral link in the comment section of this video with my Telegram group link. You can also join my Telegram group for more business tips, money making idea, and the rest of them. The link is in the comment section of this video. Thank you. And then don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, as I've shared this update with you, also share it with others. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.